Exton to me, it's a German company with deep roots in engineering and product
The
development.
main similarity is they're all machines that are built to move and pressurize air or gases. That's really the tie that binds everything together.
The products that we build go into processes in companies that create products that we use every single day.
Every single thing that we interact with on a daily basis is manufactured.
For me, manufacturing is about bringing a lot of small pieces together to create something that customers need and want.
I love the fact that like every project that we do is different in my group. It's kind of like a big puzzle. We solve the puzzle to make something that accomplishes the goal.
By running the department and making sure that everybody is working together, that helps make sure that we can complete our goals.
Every day it's a new challenge. I like solving customers' problems. Yeah, it really comes down to need to understand what the customer really needs.
So I have a 4-year engineering degree, and that kind of got me the basis of some of the technical study that I needed, and then from there a lot of it was on the job. Higher education can help with some of the aspects of that, and at the same time skilled trade type labor and training is also very important to manufacturing. Don't want everybody your age to think that college is the only option.
The industry is morphing, it's changing because it has to.
There's been a move to bring manufacturing back to the U.S. Manufacturing is just not just assembling stuff. It's a lot of thought that goes into it. There's a lot of technology that goes into it, and I think there's certainly ways that we can do it economically here in the States, and I think this is just the beginning of what's going to become a much larger manufacturer, made in the USA type of economy.
So I think that that's really cool about manufacturing.